This year, CapCut doubled its price. Copilot added a $100 tier. Ring raised your bill. Again, every one of those companies is betting you'll just keep paying. Here's the bet they lost. Every single one has a free twin on GitHub. Not new, not beta. Production grade, millions of downloads, just never viral. By the end of this video, this counter passes $370 a month, and every dollar of it goes back to you. 10 repos, ranked by the size of the bill each one kills. For every single one, you get 3 things. The exact price you stop paying, what you give up, honestly, and a one-line rule to know if the switch is right for you. And stick around for number 1, because the $200 a month AI employee has a free twin too. Let's zero some bills. Number 10, Miro. $8 a month per person, billed yearly, to draw boxes and arrows. The free twin is Excalidraw, 129,000 stars, and it runs the second you open the site. No account, no setup. Last week alone, its package was downloaded 474,000 times, because half the tools you already use quietly embedded. Whiteboards, wireframes, system diagrams. The same hand-drawn style people actually like. The catch: Miro's template and board ecosystem runs deeper for big companies. The rule: sketching ideas and architecture. Switch today. Running company-wide workshops inside Miro boards. That's the one case to keep paying. Number 9, your Google storage bill. The 2 terabyte plan, Google renamed it AI Plus this year, $10 a month, forever, to look at your own photos. The free twin is Immich, 110,000 stars. And long-time viewers know this one. It stays on the list because nothing converts people to owning their data faster. Your phone backs up straight to your own drive. Same timeline, same face search, same map view. The catch: you run it yourself on an old PC or a network drive, and backups become your responsibility. The rule: if you have any spare machine at home, switch. If you'd never plug in a hard drive, skip this one. Number 8, Grammarly Pro. $12 a month. Their own page brags about 40 million users. And every word you type ships to their cloud first. Harper is the free twin from Automatic, the WordPress company. It checks your grammar entirely on your device. Milliseconds, offline, nothing uploaded, ever. It plugs into VS Code, Obsidian, and your browser. The honest catch: it's a grammar checker, not an AI rewriter. No tone slider, no full rewrites. The rule: if what you need is clean, correct writing, switch and keep your words private. If you lean on, rewrite this nicer every single day, Grammarly earns its 12. Number 7, camera subscriptions. Ring Protect Pro is $20 a month. And Ring already raised prices in 2022, then again in 2024. Google didn't just raise Nest Aware, they renamed it Google Home Premium up to $20 a month. The free twin is Frigate, 35,000 stars, and it's the de facto video recorder of the home assistant world. Your cameras record to your own hardware with local AI that knows a person from a passing car. No cloud, no monthly fee. Footage never leaves your house. The catch: you need cameras that speak RTSP and a small always-on box. The rule: if you own your cameras, switch. If you're inside Ring's ecosystem, you are locked. And now you know that's the point. Number 6, CapCut Pro, $20 a month, and the annual plan jumped from $77 to $180 this year, more than double. Nobody announced anything. The invoice just changed. OpenCut is the free twin. The repo literally calls itself the open source CapCut alternative. 83,000 stars in about a year. Timeline editing in your browser, and your footage never leaves your machine. The catch: it's young. The effects library is still thin. The rule: talking head cuts and captions, switch today. Living on trend templates, stay for now. And look at the counter: $70 a month, already back. Number 5, ElevenLabs. $22 a month for the creator plan, and the meter is always watching. The free twin comes from inside the voice industry itself. Chatterbox, open sourced by Resemble AI, a commercial voice company that gave its model away. 26,000 stars. Clone a voice from a few seconds of audio. Generate unlimited narration on your own GPU, even tune the emotion. Nothing is metered. The catch: you'll want a decent graphics card, and ElevenLabs voice library is still more polished. The rule: narrating your own content in one or two voices. Switch: producing client work in 20 languages. The subscription still wins. That counter reads $91 a month. If this video already paid for itself, the follow button is free, and members are what keep these tests coming. Number 4, the one you kept asking for, Docker Desktop. $24 per user per month on the business plan, and past 250 employees, the license emails always find you. Podman is the free twin, built at Red Hat, then donated to the CNCF. 32,000 stars. Same commands. Most people literally alias Docker to Podman and get on with their day. No daemon running as root, no license audit. The catch: a few compose edge cases still bite. The rule: if you drive Docker from the terminal, you can switch this afternoon. If your team lives in desktops, interface, and extensions, run a 1-week test first. Number 3, Supabase Pro at $25 a month, or Firebase, where the bill is a monthly surprise. PocketBase is the free twin, and it's the best party trick on this list. Your entire backend is one file: database, logins, file storage, real-time updates, admin dashboard, one executable. 60,000 stars, and his JavaScript package pulls 200,000 downloads a week. Download it, run it, and you have a working backend before your coffee cools. The catch: it's one machine on SQLite, no managed scaling, no team console. The rule: side projects, prototypes, internal tools. Switch: real production scale with a team. $25 is honestly fair. And notice what everything on this list has in common. It's source code. That's the part nobody says out loud. You can point Claude Code or any coding agent at any repo here and reshape it. Your features, your branding, your product. You're not just canceling subscriptions today, you're collecting free starter code for whatever you build next. Number 2, GitHub Copilot. The base plan is 10, but the power tier is 39. And this June, they added a $100 a month max plan and moved billing to AI credits. The meter is the business model now. Continue is the free twin. 35,000 stars, nearly 4 million installs on VS Code. Same inline autocomplete, same chat in your editor, except you choose the engine, your own API key, or a local model through All Llama, where autocomplete costs exactly zero. The catch: you manage the models, and API use still burns tokens. The rule: paying a hosted tier mostly for autocomplete. Switch: company pays for your Copilot, enjoy it. Number 1, Devin, the AI software engineer. It launched at $500 a month. Today, the max plan is $200, and teams pay $80 plus $40 per seat. But the free twin outgrew it on GitHub. OpenHands, 84,000 stars, born from the Open Devin research project. The same promise: an agent that takes a ticket, writes the code, runs the tests, opens the pull request, except it runs on your machine with your keys. The honest catch, and it's a big one: free software is not free compute. You pay for tokens and you review its work. The rule: want an autonomous coder you control? Switch. Want a managed employee with a company to blame? That's what the 200 buys. And the counter just crossed $379 a month. Lightning round: 5 bonus repos, 30 seconds. Karakeep: bookmarks that tag themselves instead of $10 for Readwise Reader. DocMost: a real team wiki instead of Confluence charging per seat. Text: beautiful technical documents without overleaves, 25 a month. Waveterm: a modern terminal without Warp's $20 plan. And the meta one, Wallace, a self-hosted tracker for every subscription you decide to keep. All the links are below. Now the part these videos usually skip. Free is not free. You pay in time. Self-hosting means updates, backups, and the occasional Saturday spent debugging something that used to be someone else's job. Nobody answers a support ticket for you. So here is when you should just pay. When the tool runs your business and downtime costs more than the subscription. When a whole team depends on it and you would become the IT department. And third, your time has a price too. A $20 app that saves you 5 hours every month is the cheapest employee you will ever hire. The goal is not $0 on principle. The goal is knowing that every line on your bank statement is there because you chose it. So here's your move tonight. Pick one. Just one bill from this list. The one that stung when I named it. Install the twin. Run them side by side for a week, then cancel with evidence. I put every repo, every install command, and every use it or skip it rule on one page. Comment the word payback and I'll send it straight to you. And tell me which subscription still owns you, because you're basically writing the sequel in the comments. Real talk. 90% of you watching haven't subscribed. On Facebook, subscribe is the supporter button. That is what keeps the lights on here. On YouTube, it's free and it tells the algorithm to send you more. Subscribe to support us. Here's where this leaves you. $380 a month was never really about 10 apps. It's proof that the paid tool is now the convenience option, not the only option. The source code is public. The quality is production grade. And with the coding agent, all of it is raw material. If you are getting started with that, my beginner guides are linked below. The complete Claude Code guide, the OpenAI Codex guide, the Claude Cowork sales guide, and the Claude Architect prep kit. The builds behind these videos live on Instagram @HyperAutomationLabs. See you in the sequel.